Best plasma cutters provide fast, precise, and efficient metal cutting for materials like steel, aluminum, and other conductive metals. Ideal for fabrication, repairs, and DIY projects, they offer powerful performance, clean cuts, and portability for various metalworking needs. Starting at number 1, LOTOS LTP505D. The LOTOS LTP5505D 55A Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter is a powerful and portable metal cutting machine designed for professional fabrication, automotive work, repairs, and DIY projects. It delivers up to 55 amps of cutting power and can make clean cuts through steel sheets up to 5 8-inch thick when operated at 200 watts 240V. Featuring non-touch Pilot Arc technology, it can cut through painted, rusty, or rough metal surfaces while reducing consumable wear, and its surface rust removal mode allows easier preparation and cutting of oxidized materials. The machine supports dual voltage operation, 110V, 120V, and 220V to 240V, includes a front-mounted air filter regulator with pressure gauge for easy adjustment, and provides stable arc performance through advanced inverter technology. With its compact brown inverter design, upgraded torch system, and ability to cut materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, the LOTOS LTP5505D is a versatile choice for workshops, metalworkers, and hobbyists. Number 2, Reboot Cut T50D Plasma Cutter. The Reboot Cut 50D Plasma Cutter is a compact and powerful 50-amp IGBT inverter cutting machine designed for efficient metal fabrication, repair work, and DIY projects. Featuring high-frequency plasma arc technology, it delivers clean and precise cuts through conductive metals such as alloy steel, mild steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and chrome materials. The machine supports dual voltage operation with 110V to 220V input, providing flexibility for different workshop environments, and can achieve a clean cut of up to 1.5-inch thickness under suitable conditions. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to transport, while the built-in air plasma system, adjustable cutting current, and efficient IGBT inverter technology provide stable performance and reliable cutting results. The Cut 50D is an ideal choice for automotive repairs, metal artwork, fabrication, maintenance, and general metal cutting applications. Number 3, ARCCAPTAIN Plasma Cutter. The ARCCAPTAIN Plasma Cutter is a powerful and user-friendly 50-amp plasma cutting machine designed for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and light fabrication work. Featuring advanced IGBT inverter technology and dual voltage support with 110V to 220V input, it delivers reliable cutting performance on materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, aluminum, and other conductive metals. The machine includes a large LED display that provides clear, real-time information for easier operation along with adjustable settings for improved control. It offers a 1/2-inch clean cutting capacity, high-frequency arc starting for smooth ignition, post-flow cooling to extend consumable life, and 2T, 4T modes for both short and continuous cutting tasks. With its compact, lightweight design, built-in regulator and air gauge, and beginner-friendly controls, the ARCCAPTAIN Plasma Cutter is an excellent choice for home workshops, metal repair, automotive projects, and creative fabrication applications. Number 4, YESWELDER Plasma Cutter. The YESWELDER Cut 65DS plus 65 AMP Plasma Cutter is a powerful and versatile 4-in-1 metal cutting machine designed for professional fabrication, automotive repair, and DIY projects. Featuring advanced inverter technology and 110V to 220V dual voltage compatibility, it delivers up to 65A cutting power for efficient performance on materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, cast iron, and other conductive metals. The machine supports cutting, grid cutting, gouging, and marking functions, making it a flexible solution for a wide range of metalworking tasks. Its non-HF blowback arc start system provides reliable ignition while reducing electromagnetic interference, making it safer for use around sensitive electronics and equipment. With up to 1-inch severance cutting capability, a 9/16-inch clean cut capacity at 220 smart digital controls, adjustable post-flow settings, and an industrial-grade IPT40 torch, the CUT65DS Plus offers precision, durability, and convenience for workshops, fabrication shops, and serious hobbyists. Number 5. LTP5600CD 56A Plasma Cutter, the LOTOS Apex. LTP5600CD 56A. Drag cut built-in air. Plasma cutter is a powerful and portable metal cutting machine designed for HVAC work, fabrication, repairs, and creative metal art projects. Featuring a 56A cutting output with 110V, 220V dual voltage capability, it delivers clean and precise cuts through materials such as steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. The built-in air compressor eliminates the need for a separate air tank, providing convenient plug-and-cut operation for job sites, garages, and field repairs. Its drag cut technology allows smooth touch-and-go torch movement for straighter lines and cleaner curves, while the non-touch pilot arc system provides reliable starts on rusty, painted, or rough metal surfaces while helping extend consumable life. The cutter can achieve up to 5 8-inch clean cuts with external air support and includes an LED control panel for adjusting settings such as pilot arc time, post flow, and air pressure.